Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux on your Chromebook, because GarageBand runs on Mac OS only and will use a virtualized Mac OS image. Enable Linux, Christini, in Settings now. Next, make sure you have an Apple ID ready for App Store access. This avoids sign and pauses later. Once done, check Architecture and Free Space. You need enough disk and working Wi-Fi for the Mac OS image and tools. Make sure power is plugged in. Long installs die on low battery. You'll next install QEMU and Virt Manager inside Linux. This provides the virtual hardware Mac OS needs. Then, create a virtual disk at least 60 GB and import a Mac OS recovery image. This is where GarageBand will live. Allocate 8+ GB RAM and multiple CPU cores. GPU pass-through improves audio GUI performance, so enable it if your Chromebook supports it. Once configured, boot the installer. Follow Mac OS setup and sign into your. You finish by opening the App Store in your virtual Mac OS and downloading GarageBand. Sign in and install it like on a Mac. Once installed, configure audio. Enable core audio pass-through, or use jack/ALSA bridging to reduce latency and ensure input devices are recognized. If performance or boot issues occur, reboot the VM, enable nested virtualization and firmware, increase RAM or CPU, and update QEMU/Virt tools. Key troubleshooting tip: recreate the VM with more
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.